What if everything you think you know about heaven and hell is wrong? Clouds and harps, fire and pitchforks. Most of that isn't ancient religion. It's pop culture. Today, we're breaking down the biggest myths about the afterlife and the surprising facts behind them. Myth number 1. Every religion has the same heaven and hell. Fact, not even close. Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, Judaism, ancient Greece. They all describe the afterlife differently. Some have multiple heavens, some have temporary hells, some have no hell at all. Heaven and hell are umbrella terms, not universal destinations. Myth number 2. Hell is always a place of fire. Fact, fire is just one symbol. Buddhism describes cold hells. Mesopotamian myth talks about shadowy underworlds. Greek Hades? Mostly neutral, not torture. The fiery pit is more medieval art than ancient doctrine. Myth the 3. Heaven is a cloud kingdom with angels playing harps. Fact, that image comes from Renaissance paintings and cartoons. Many traditions describe heaven as a perfected earth, a garden, a realm of pure consciousness, or a reunion with the divine. The Cloud City? That's Hollywood. Myth number 4. Heaven and hell are eternal in every belief system. Fact, eternity is not universal. In Buddhism, afterlife realms are temporary. In Judaism, Gehenna is often a purification period. Even early Christian thinkers debated whether punishment lasts forever. Eternal reward or punishment is just one model. Myth number 5. Good people go to heaven, bad people go to hell. Fact sounds simple, but most traditions disagree. Some use karma, some use faith and repentance. Some use moral balance. Some don't divide the afterlife at all. The good versus bad system is a modern oversimplification. Myth number 6. Heaven and hell are physical places somewhere in the universe. Fact, most modern interpretations say they're states of being, not GPS locations. Heaven, closeness to the divine. Hell, separation from it. The up and down imagery is symbolic, not literal cosmic geography. Myth number 7. Hell has always existed in religious teachings. Fact, actually, many ancient cultures had neutral afterlives. Early Hebrew texts describe Sheol, a shadowy, quiet place, not a torture chamber. Norse mythology has hell, also not inherently a punishment realm. Punitive hells developed later in many traditions. Myth number 8. Heaven is something you earn. Fact, in some traditions, heaven isn't earned, it's given, inherited, or realized. Christianity emphasizes grace. Buddhism focuses on awakening, not reward. Mystic traditions describe heaven as a state of union with the divine. It's not a cosmic point system. Myth number 9. Hell is ruled by Satan, who is the equal and opposite enemy of God. Fact, this one is pure pop culture. In most Orthodox Christian and Islamic theology, Satan, or Iblis, is a created being, a fallen angel or jinn, who is completely subordinate to God's ultimate power. He does not rule hell in the sense of being a king. In Dante's Inferno, Satan is frozen at the very center of hell, trapped and powerless, punishing the worst sinners by chewing on them. He is a prisoner, not a warden. The torment of hell is often understood as separation from God, not a kingdom Satan built. Myth, yes for 10. Heaven and hell are only religious concepts. Fact, even outside religion, people use heaven and hell to describe psychological states, life experiences, or moral consequences. These ideas shape culture, language, and storytelling everywhere. Myth number 11. You become an angel when you die and get wings and a halo. Fact, angels are a separate order of creation. Humans are humans. Angels are angels. The Bible never suggests that people become angels after death. Jesus says that in the resurrection, people will be like the angels in heaven. Mark 12:25, in that they will not marry, but he doesn't say they become angels. The halo is an artistic convention from later Christian art, not a biblical description. Myth, chapter 12. The only thing that matters is getting into heaven. Fact, as mentioned in Myth 1, the biblical narrative is much bigger than individual salvation. It's about the restoration of all things, the entire cosmos. God's plan is to dwell with humanity on a restored earth. Reducing this cosmic redemption to a ticket to a disembodied cloudland misses the point of the story. So, whether you see heaven and hell as places, states of mind, or powerful symbols, one thing's clear: the real story is way more complex and way more interesting than the myths.